think this is working. I don't know. I'm in the process of rearranging my whole film setup. And so I moved my confidence monitor from using the tiny little screen that's on the camera to my actual computer monitor that's over here. So if you see me looking over here, it's just because I'm trying to see what you're seeing, except that I'm not really seeing what you're seeing. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm seeing what I'm filming, and it's bigger and it's weird, but the color's a lot better. So trying to figure out if I can improve this. I'm hoping too that the sound is actually better than it has been in the past, because I've always in the past just used my little Rode mic on my camera, and I've always had to like clean up the sound and amplify the sound so much, and I always think it kind of sounds a little weird. It doesn't really sound like me, which I know nobody likes the way they sound on camera, so that's a thing. So if you see me looking over here, it's because I'm looking at my monitor. I have no idea if this is actually going to stick like this, because I just keep moving my stuff around, but whatever. Make this work. So I have family coming today, and I'm just trying to clean house. I've got one dog behind me and one dog on my lap, because that's the only way that they would be quiet enough to film anything. And I have been dying to film the Riviera palette for like forever. Ooh, look. I can actually like see if it's straight now. Anyway. But yeah, I've been dying to try this palette for like a while now. I've swatched them and played in them a little bit, but I haven't really like done too much. But this is, woo, wow. It doesn't mirror. Oh, that's gonna take a while. I get it. Oh. So when you flip your screen backwards on the camera, it flips everything around. And this doesn't. Okay, that's going to take some getting used to. Whatever, we'll figure it out. It's going to be fun. Or else it's going to be funny. And have it a day, week, whatever. So we're just going to like go with stuff. I'm also in the process of like finishing the organization on my drawers finally, which really needs to happen because I just have stuff everywhere. And it's getting a little ridiculous. So I've been checking this stuff out here lately. This is one I got in my, can you see that? How does this work? Oh, I don't know how to move things. Oh, but at least this one does actually like focus decently and quietly. Holy crap. That's going to take some getting used to. I wonder if there's a setting I can fix that. I don't know. I may have to try. We'll figure it out. Yeah, we're just going to deal with this. But anyway, I got this in Ipsy, and I've just been checking it out. It's pretty good. It does make your skin feel moisturized and, I don't know, soft. I don't know that it really primes my face so much to keep makeup on, but it does just overall, I feel like, kind of brighten my skin and just make my skin feel better, so. I don't know that I would buy it again, but I'll definitely use it. So this is an Anastasia palette, and these are notorious for fallout. So I'm going to do my makeup with my eyes first, and then do the rest of my makeup. I don't usually do that, but when you're using really bright colors like this, especially ones that you know are going to have fallout, that is just a better way to go, because you can actually like clean up your mess as you go, instead of trying to, I don't know, cake on more concealer and cover up your mess. So we're going to do that instead. Alright, so I'm going to prime my eyes using the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. This is the shade, and I tend to, I don't know, I've been using this one a decent amount here lately. I had one of these like way back when, and I loved it. It finally died, and I was too cheap to replace it because I'm cheap, and you know that. And anyway, so this one went on sale, and I picked up this one. I think it's in my bin of to be played with back here, but I picked it up and basically, I forget the name of the shade, but it's basically this exact same shade but with glitter in it, so. And I'm doing this with a flat brush. This happens to be the Bare Minerals Max Coverage Concealer brush, but it just happens to be the flat brush that I've been using that has been, I don't know, good for this, so that's what I'm using. And I'm actually going to go ahead and do my eyebrows so that I can use this to carve and not have to do it at the end and mess up my eyeshadow when I'm finished. This little dude is awesome, except that it means that my makeup is packed up. And it's not because I'm traveling somewhere fun. It's because my life sucks. And I end up doing my makeup from the passenger seat on the way to work. And now my eyes are don't like how orange that looks. Tummy rumbling. Alright. Eyeshadow. Now we can get down to business. Okay, so, Riviera palette. I'm just going to pull the little brush out of here and the little plastic thingy. I usually always keep those in here. And I hate everybody always bends them back. Like, why do people do that? Breaking the spine. It's just like a book. Don't break the spine. This is BH Cosmetics number 5. I'm going to dunk into Estate, this nice peachy shade here in the corner. And I'm just going to put that in my crease. Kind of run it up a little bit. So I'm going to go for something including this Bahamas color, because I'm not going to lie, like, that is the star of this palette, so you know I'm headed there. You just don't know when, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to take that same brush, dip into the white up in the corner called Sails. I'm going to put that just under my brow bone, just kind of highlight that. I'm going to grab my Lamora All Over Shader. I'm going to go into, I think, Coastline here. And I definitely, you can see the powder pick up on that. I definitely am glad that I decided to do foundation second on this one, because you can definitely tell that that's, when I get to these darker shades, that's going to be a thing. Alright, and I'm going to go into Canes, which is this bright purple, because purple. Okay, I think I'm going to go to Bahamas first, and then I'm going to do that in the outer third. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that in that order. So this is my all over shader. I just used, I'm going to dip into Bahamas, the bright ass pink. Ooh. Tommy, can you not? Alright, I am seriously going to have to go eat before I can finish this. So that was fun. Just had a complete, I don't know, spaz out anxiety meltdown, and so I ate a peanut butter sandwich because I realized I had forgotten to take my pills this morning, so that didn't help. And so I did that, And then I went on a complete like cleaning spree, which is a good thing because I have family that like just got here. So I have to finish my makeup anyway, so we're going to do this. We're just going to do this kind of quick. So carrying on, where was I? Pink. All the pink. Well, that's nice and bright. Like bright. Right, and I want to do kind of like the cat eye thing, and I'm going to do that for, let's see, I'm going to do that with the canes, the purple. So I'm going to grab, this is an angled detailer Lamora. Let's get that started under here. I'm going to take this little guy here, this is a ABH Cosmetics V15. And I'm gonna just do my outer third with that. I'm gonna go back into that pink because I want to just blend this out with a little more pink. Monte Carlo, which is the salmon pink in between the Bahamas and Canes. And I have to use seashells, this turquoise blue color, because it's just awesome. And it's another one of the like reasons for this palette to exist. So this is a Lamora Classic Shader. That's better. I'm going to go back into Bahamas and use them just to blend those together. Using Estate just a little bit to blend that further up. Just make that nice and clean and well blended. Alright, so I'm going to take a makeup wipe. I'm going to clean that up. I'll do my foundation and such, and I will come back. Alright, so this is the completed look using the Anastasia Riviera. This is the completed look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I'm super stoked about this one because me and bright colors, and that's just a thing. I really like the way this look came together though. And I started to go for a nude lip or something a little more neutral, but then I didn't. And so anyway, so I finished off my face. My foundation is a combination of the Color Stay makeup for normal to dry skin and the Foera in 101. So this is my Facebook foundation. Gotta love this stuff. But this one's a really thin foundation and this one is like super thick. So mixed together, I really have been liking these two together. So I did my foundation with that. I actually went back over my eyebrows because I did not like how warm they looked. So I went back over my eyebrows with the Cabral in shade 6. I did my contour with my Pro Glow palette that I am in love with, that I use all the time. My blush is the shade Secret Crush out of the out of the Tartelette blush book. And my highlight is the Ofra Highlighter Star Island. This is what I got in an Ipsy, and I flipping love this thing. It's absolutely awesome. Let's see, what else? Eyeliner, my waterline is my Man Eater. I started to do my top eyeliner with the Tartiste Double Take, and it did in fact die, so that one's on its way out. So I finished that off with the Tarte Man Eater, just mainly because these are ones that I already have open that are in front of me. My lashes are a first coat of the Julep Length Matters, and I loaded up above that with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and it did take me 2 things to do it, but I do like the way my lashes came out. I am trying desperately to use up some eyeliners and mascaras and things like that before I open anything else. So I'm trying to make myself like do that and not be wasteful. So, what else? Anything else? No. Okay. No. Lips. I did the lip liner with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in I See You, and the NYX Cosmic Metals in Asteroid Aura. So that's my purples. But yeah, I like the way the look came together. I hope you did too. If you did, make sure you give this video a like. I can't remember to do things. Yeah, but I really like the way the look came together. I hope you did too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel. Really helps me out. I'm still trying to get 100 subscribers, so please help me with that one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.